1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Mr. Rain outside, take 1. My grandma told me to stay on home before the rain comes nearby. I listened to the weather news of the chances was like. Before I even go outside, I saw the stormy rain. And then I told her, never mind. And then I walked inside my room and heard the heavy rain outside. While I was walking in my window, saw all the rain outside. Even though I had a song in mind. Oh, what a boring day for me. Even though this was a Saturday. Listen to the rain outside. Soon I got a call from my girlfriend Jessica, who's asking me to slide on by. Before I even go outside, I saw the stormy rain. Then I told her, never mind. Then I walked inside my room. Then I heard the heavy rain outside. While I walked inside my window, looking outside. Yes, better know, most of the people were very, very mad about that all the way. Hey, if you didn't know the weather outside, listen to the rain outside. If you don't know the weather outside, listen to the rain outside. Yeah, my grandma told me to stay at home before it started to rain. I took her advice. It was raining and lightning, and I already changed my mind. Listen to the rain outside. If you don't know the weather outside, listen to the rain outside. Hey, if you don't know the weather outside, listen to the rain outside. If you don't know the weather, rain outside, baby, listen to the rain outside. Listen to the rain outside. Listen to the rain outside. Cut. I'm gonna put the electric guitar in that verse afterwards.